It's 2 a.m. TV's on my right. Hell, I don't know. It's getting harder to be myself. Every dim-lit corner of this house is as cold as when you walked out. And you said I didn't know how to love. I pray at night, get relief in a blood-stained Bible that I read. Besides the nights that I do drink, to see you home is my dying wish. That's just something God can't fix. There's no good days on this side of hell. You said, watch the way that you light that wick, 'cause the field's getting drier and it burns up quick. Like the way your restless mind is never dealing when you don't know why. When the walls close in and I'm lost in all my sin, heaven lets me in. Will I see your face again?